Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the notification dots from your icons in the home screen in the Alcatel 1SE Lite. So as you can see, there we have a few notification dots, and now if you want to hide them, just open the settings, look for the apps and notifications, and expand the notification section. Then just slide down, expand the advanced again, and look for the allow notification dots. Switch it off, go back to the home screen. As you can see, all of the notification dots disappeared and you will not see them anymore on your home screen. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.